DJI Air 3, our entire development. Got that coming up next. Bill the Drone Reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. It's a broken record and you're going to hear it again. The DJI Air 3 is my favorite drone of all time. Today what I decided to do was to go around. You've seen parts of our development. What I did was I tried to show you our entire development. I flew along the borders of the development, and then I went up to about 400 feet so you could get a perspective of our development, and I tried to capture all of it. So without any further ado, let's roll that clip in its entirety. Going to attempt to do our entire development, which is going to be real interesting here. Let's see, we have 25 satellites. I'm going to go 100% on the battery, which is very good. We're going to go ahead and get screen recording started here. Okay, that is underway, and I've moved the icon over there. So let's go ahead and take off. Move that there. Video has been started. We are at 4K 30. So let's get up to altitude here. About 130 feet. Let's adjust the pitch of the gimbal here. Let's go ahead and get started. Just found out this week that we may get into the 90s. November in Florida. It really is a wonderful day today. I'm at about 150 feet right now. 26 miles an hour. It really is just a wonderful, wonderful day today. Go ahead and adjust the course here a little bit. Coming up on 301, and we're going to do something a little different here today. I'm going to kind of slow down here a little bit. And we're going to go down to the road down there that our development borders on. It really is. There's like almost no clouds up there today. Mid to upper 80s. It's very, very nice. And low humidity too. That's a nice thing about this time of year. It is low humidity. Okay, we're approaching the edge here. I'm going to be following the road here, the road down there, because our development borders that. So yeah, let's go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and start the turn here. And this is the other edge of our development here. Thing's looking real good, 90% battery. And there's one of our many ponds here, and if there's a body of water in the state of Florida, you assume there are gators in it, and it's been reported. I think we have 10 to 12 ponds. There are gators in every one of them. Have everything from baby gators to big old gators. So okay, we're coming up on the edge of our development here. So we're right where the road turns, we're going to turn as well. Notice on the left is the building that you see all the time when I fly down. It's coming up, it's right over on the left over there. And let's go ahead and make the turn here. Now you probably will recognize this because this is where we were at, and you can see the home point. That's where we started. I'm going to stop right here, and what we're going to do, I'm going to go ahead and take this up. I think we'll probably do max altitude here. I just went around the entire development.
Max altitude reached.
Okay, we are at maximum altitude. I'm going to go ahead and this, and I'm going to back up a little bit here. What I want to do is give you guys an idea of how big this is here. Okay. Just kind of scoot over this way a little bit. Back up some more. You can kind of get a good sense of, we're getting a good slice of the development here. I'm going to scoot down here a little bit so you guys can see. Move in a little bit here. We're going to go this way here just to kind of give you a sense of how big the development is. I just flew on the complete outskirts, the border of our development, and I'm just going to go down here. And again, up at altitude, this gives you a real good perspective on how many houses we have here. I mean, it's pretty doggone incredible. Let's go ahead and get in tighter here a little bit. You can see in the distance, you can see the clubhouse. There's the entrance to the development. It really gives you an incredible appreciation for how big this is. And take a look, we're coming up on the entrance to 301 here. Go ahead and move in a little bit. That pretty much is our section that we call the villas. Used to call them, another word for a villa down in Florida is a twin single. And that's the type of house that we have. I'm getting up here to 301. I'm going to go ahead and stop. I'm going to go forward here a little bit. I'm going to go down 301 again, but I'm going to go ahead and turn it in such a way so you can get an idea of the perspective from this end. With 74% battery. So here's an idea. I'm going to back up just a little bit here. Pretty much all the houses that you can see, except those on the extreme right here, are in our development. We have at, I'm told I think we have 540 houses in our development here. It's amazing. It really is. And to think only like 3 years ago, most of this was just land here. I think they maybe have had the ponds in. So this is very, very, very enlightening, and I hope you found this to be a real interesting video. I was real excited to be able to do this. I thought about that because I know a lot of you have had some positive comments on the community, especially going to the clubhouse and the pool and our gatehouse and everything. So I thought I'd just do kind of a little bit of a different perspective for you today. So let's go ahead and we're going to go ahead and get this home here.
Return to home.
Love the AR return to home. That is just, I am just absolutely enamored with that. That's just absolutely fantastic. And it's a great perspective from up in almost 400 feet too. You really get to see things. See the home point. That is wonderful. I absolutely love that. And I want to thank you guys. You guys have been leaving some awesome comments. I really, really, really do appreciate that. And as a way of giving thanks to all you guys, we're going to have a wonderful holiday Christmas giveaway coming up. And of course, you know who's going to be with me. It wouldn't be the holiday giveaway without Valerie being there with me, because I know you guys like seeing her on the air with me. She always makes me look good. And I love this perspective. I love how it's doing return to home, how it pitches the gimbal right here.
Landing.
And it completely turns the gimbal when it's on its way down here. Looks like we're going to be spot on here, guys. Actually, it's going to be a little off, believe it or not. Wow. Very interesting. It was a little off. But nevertheless, I thought that was a very successful test flight, or a flight of the DJI Air 3 to show you our entire development. Question of the day. What did you think of the DJI Air 3, our development? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.